welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I make my TikTok intros. So something like this for fan pages, and you can also use these for like just normal TikToks if you want. So without further ado, let's begin. The first thing you want to do is you want to go into Pinterest and you want to search that up, and I'm not sure how to pronounce it, so I'm just gonna, and there are a lot of different templates. I like this one, so I'm gonna save this to my camera roll. And I have a lot. I have a lot. Okay, I have a lot saved right now. So I just have a new one. Yay! So let's get started. The first thing you want to do is you want to choose a color. I've chose the color pink, so I have this plain pink background, and then you want a little fancier background, I guess. So yeah, so like behind, wow, this just behind the text I have pink, and then like behind the actual image I have this cute background, and I'll show you guys how to do that. So let's get started. The first step you're going to do is you're going to save your image and choose a color. Then what you're going to do is you're going to go onto Video Star, and I know you can do this on like CapCut, but I'm not sure how to do it, so I'm just going to show you guys how to do this on a Video Star. So you're going to click on the plus button, you're going to click Edit Videos, and you are going to choose your color. So this one has no audio, so I'm just going to quickly add an audio. Okay, then you click Import Video, and you choose your plain color, then Import. Then what you're going to do is you're going to go onto the app. It's called Eraser, and you're going to choose this. It's like a photo, image, video symbol thing at the top, and you're going to choose your template you want. I want this, so you're going to click Erase Target Area. Just going to erase the black part. You're going to erase anything that is black on the image so it's transparent. Then you save it to your camera roll, click on New, Multi-Layer. For the first layer, you're going to use your plain color. Second layer, photo. You're going to choose this transparent thing we just did. Then you're going to create and save it to your projects. You're going to go back onto multi-layer. So this time what you're going to do as the first layer is this like cuter, I guess, background, and you're going to click done. Then you're going to choose this, add mask, and you're going to erase every single thing. Yeah, everything, except you're going to erase like all this background things, weird things going on, except for the actual circle. So you're not going to erase the circle. Okay, you're not going to touch the circle at all. You're just going to go around it. Okay, so I finished and it looks like that, and I'm fine with the way it looks. So now what you're going to do is you're going to click Create, and you're going to save this to your camera roll. Send to camera roll, and you're just going to save it. Then in your camera roll, you can delete the other photos if you want to. I'm just going to keep them, and I'm just going to mute this so it doesn't make sound. Then what you're going to do is you're going to go onto Font, load new video, click your template, and then you can add text. So say for my next video, say the title is going to be, what's your, and what I like to do is I like to just add a color on my text and not a shadow, because I feel like the shadow makes it look, I guess you could say, weird. So let me just show you what I mean. So you add like shadow, it looks like that. And that doesn't look very natural to me. It kind of looked like you added a text over the image, but without like the shadow, it kind of looks like the image and the text are one. You know? It's kind of hard to explain, but I hope you get what I mean. And then you're just going to write your title. So what's your, and I'm going to write favorite. So my question is going to be, what's your favorite color? It's a very basic question, but it's fine. What's your favorite? And then you're going to write color. You can choose any fonts you want. and I try to stick with the same fonts for all of my like intros, but sometimes it's just hard. And you can write anything you want in this. I'm just going to I guess I'm just going to choose like a random font. I'm going to choose this font. It's called Ride My Bike. Where'd it go? And it has this like heart symbol. And I really like the way it looks, so I'm just going to add that. If I manage to find it. And of course you don't have to make different intros like I do. You can just stick to one. But I like making different intros. And then you can also add your watermark. Add Sherry. Again, you don't have to do this either. It's optional. But I just like to add my watermark, and I like to space it out. And then make the size smaller, and you can put it like anywhere. I just like to put it at the top. Center it, and then you save this as a project. So you can just come back to this and you can change the text for each video. Now I'm going to show you guys how to put this on an actual video. But before we do that, I like to add a filter to my intros. Then you go into the app VLLO and you click your intro, then you add your edited video. So say I made that. You're going to go here, and I like my intro to be 1 second, so I'm just going to shrink it down. Then I add a dissolve transition, so it looks like this. It goes from what's your favorite color to the video, and I really like the way it looks. Then you can just save it to your camera roll, export, and it just gets saved. And that is basically how I make my intros. And I've not really seen anyone do this before, so I'm really like happy, I guess I figured this out. I'm pretty sure some people might have done this before, but I just haven't seen them. So I hope you guys like this idea. I know there are like a lot of different intros people do, and this is like one of them that you could do for your theme or your videos. I hope you guys had fun watching. Bye!